Hello guys, today I'm playing Breaking 2 story. Kid, let's go see. What happened here? What? I'm gonna get this spoiler. Let's go walk, 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 walk. We're going to a camping trip, yippee! All gone wrong. John. Oof, oof, oh my gosh! I'm alone because my brother's channel is broken and he cannot make Roblox. He cannot play Roblox anymore. Let's go walk, 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 walk. We need a shelter. Make me something nearby. Ooh, there's one. Jump, 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 jump. I will defeat you. I'm losing for hands. What happened? So this one is the lucky one. By the way, I reboot it. No, the you belong to somebody. Tonight, you belong to me. What happened? Evil secret days. Oh, the face. Ooh, me gusta. Exercise. Exercise. Let's go. Drink this. Let's go. Let's go. Two, two. Exercise. Exercise. Let's go. Everyone exercise. Ooh, this to click! Click, click, click! Let's click, click, click! How? It's free! Click! 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 Click, 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 click. What? What the heck? Exercise, 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 exercise. What it goes? Me? I'm gonna just hide. Evil news!
Breaking news. I repeat, breaking news. Scary Larry's body has gone missing after his defeat. Now, a few weeks later, there has been a break-in at our secret Eber base by a group of intruders. They look weak and should be easy to beat. We are preparing 3 waves of backup to defeat them once and for all. The first wave of backup is leaving now. Our new leader is Scary Mary. She's meaner, more evil, and will put a stop to the intruders.
I'm gonna just hide. There's a secret one. Line up here, nobody can see you. They're gonna be just here. The room trap. Nothing escape. Yay! Yuppie! Stop to the Uncle P middle quest. Bye! Okay. No. No. This is no. No! 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 Nothing. And favors, bad guys, you have 2 times chance. Yippee! New event. New event. New event. Ooh, money, yippee. Money. Give me money. Look at the money. Ooh. Oh no. Where is the money? gonna just do nothing. Basically. Wait a minute. I have 95 monies. 95 monies. That's had so many dollars. Oh my gosh. Run! We're gonna buy so many monies. We're gonna buy. I need to buy. I need to buy. I need to buy. I'm gonna die. I just buy anything. Buy anything. Yay. Scary. Uncle P. Uncle P wants to defeat me. Bad choice. I need to get a new weapon. Once you get so many monies. Yay, and it. Defeat. What did I do? Bye. What the? I'm fat as hell.
Ano naman? Si Ambit maka 250 naman, hindi maka 500 pala sa motor. Ha? Si Ambit. Ano daw? Maka 250 na naman ngayon. Oo.
I need to buy more. I need to buy. Okay. Protection, easy.
Pangkain na.
Okay, niggas.
Bigyan naman sila ng kilig pag may pagkain siya.
Need to get them. Give me some. Nope.
Wala, lit-lit naman ang titi mo ah.
Power using.
Ano yun? Wala din naman makikita. Paano tutuloyin mo yan?
No power. This weapon is weak for you. Okay.
Asan pala yung button?
Money.
Sige.
I need to buy something. Okay. Let's go. This is not charged. Wow.
500
But I
pala
have no
ang
Roblox.
ano. Yung motor,
Mm.
binigyan ko sa kanya.
What do Roblox?
Tinanong ko magkano na.
Ow. Open this.
Ano talaga sa doon?
Now let's go. Get this open. Get this open. Sounds like something in there. Wee! Oh my gosh, I glitched it. Ooh. I need to exercise. Pizza. Golden pizza. Okay. What juice?
Pati nga yung Omega. Sinabi kong ligo na.
Middle room. Run. I did not get a black screen. Cut my body. 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 Oh. What hide? Cannot see the boat. The bites.
Ano hinulukat?
Oh no! Need to fight it. Let's go fight it.
Oh, ito.
Let's go fight it. Fight it. Fight it. Oh no. The dead. Or could be just fight it. Oh no. We need to get something good. Uncle, please stand. I don't care. I don't care. Wait. I want to buy the perfect tip. Tip.
Hindi matay na.
Need to buy. Because when I'm fighting that, I will fight anything than just buying things. I'm gonna fight. I don't want to fight. I want to buy. Let's go. Woo! Go! Let's go! You can buy me one. Let's stop. I'll buy that. This belongs to us. Yippee! Oh, black school. I need to take one. Pick one book. No. Let's go down. That's enough. Your brats had ignored me for too long. I have experiment to get back. Yes. You're incredible clever, but for raging and take over my base.
Meron naman message ang Maxi Brad.
But now it's time to see what been on down there. This should be fun.
Greetings from Maxi Brad.
Oh,
Para
lul.
ang store natin para po sa laboratory test.
Lul.
Para naman sa Maxi
Lul.
laboratory basic package 8 test 250 pesos. And ito complete package 9 test 750 executive private 12 test 150.
No, that's too hard. I need to skip. There's skip. But the door was let's go. Let's go see who sees it.
Si Lenny ang doktaman.
This is my chip. It is Scary Larry. He was weak and fixing. No, don't look at me. Oh yeah, grab speed. All. You like my cat? You have a lot of food. Because your weapon is so weak. Jump available for free Your NPC team is don't look! Don't say bad words! I'm gonna just hide. much warm up. You need to be careful, Sandy. Boss. Particular. In this, it's perfect. Run, run, run. Ooh. Granada. It's gonna be so hard. Let's do this. He's coming after me. Oh no. Oh Lord. It's still very fun. You all win. You want to fight this. Run! Hey! This is so hard. We just finished our turns. I have so low health, oh no. But I need to survive. Oh shit. The final spin. Oh no. Whoa.
Naman.
This is so hard. Somebody died. People know. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh no. What? Oh, we're Oh no. Okay.
Lahat ko ng pro sa ino nila. Manalo yan, sigurado yun.
Unay. This is so hard. Larry. Ow. I need to keep an eye. Why can play so hard?